This final one shows the reflection over the line y equals negative x. So I'm going to draw y equals negative x. That has a slope of -1. So now that becomes our mirror. So what we're going to do with this one, the reflection rule, it goes from x, y, and then you switch the x and y, but you also make them negative. So they're going to be opposites and flips. So let's look at the first one. We've got u at 3, -3. So u is at 3, -3. We have k at -3, 4. So k is at -3, 4. You have b at -1, 4. So b is at -1, 4. And you've got w at -1, 2. So w is at -1, 2. So we're going to connect our points. And this is going to be kind of a thin figure here. There's a straight line here, comes down here, comes down here. Okay? It's almost triangular, not quite. So we're going to reflect this across the y equals -x line. So what I'm going to do is use my rule. I'm going to flip them, -3, 3, and then flip the signs, positive, negative. So I've got +3, the image of u will be at 3. So if I flip them, so will be at 3, -3. So the image is going to be in the same spot as the original, which is possible if you've got the same numbers. So then I've got the image of k. I'm going to flip them, 4, -3. Now I'm going to change signs, plus and minus. So now it becomes -4, +3. So that's the image of k. So then I've got b, which is -1, 4. So I'll switch them to 4, -1. That becomes -4, +1. That's the image of b. And then I've got the image of w, which is 2, -1. But I'm going to flip the signs. So it becomes -2, 1. And that's the image of w. And if you look at these, they are symmetrical. If I were to connect these here, I'd connect these two, then I'd connect down here to u, and then this connects to u. So you can see there that that's a perfect reflection across the line y equals -x. So that's the rule for y equals -x when you're using a reflection.